Welcome back MH Car Review everyone. Today we're diving into something extraordinary, a true marvel of design, power, and innovation, the Rolls-Royce Futuristic Motorhome. This machine doesn't just transport you from one destination to another, it redefines what it means to travel in luxury. If you thought Rolls-Royce was only about elegant sedans and handcrafted limousines, wait until you see what happens when the brand's signature excellence meets the world of motorhomes. From the very first glance, the exterior design commands attention. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a moving sculpture. The body wears a stunning two-tone finish of crimson red and deep blue, flowing together through aerodynamic lines that give it a spaceship-like presence. The sharp LED lighting design runs seamlessly along the edges, while the chrome-finished grille and accents remind you of Rolls-Royce's timeless attention to detail. The vehicle sits low on massive alloy wheels, creating a commanding yet graceful stance. Every curve and bend serves both beauty and function, designed to cut through the air effortlessly while maintaining road stability. Step closer and you notice the precision engineering in every inch. The doors open with that signature Rolls-Royce smoothness, revealing an entrance more like a luxury suite than a vehicle. As you step inside, the atmosphere completely transforms. The interior is a blend of modern technology and classic opulence. Plush leather seating in cream and graphite hues wraps around you like a private jet cabin. Ambient lighting adjusts automatically to your mood and time of day. Real wood veneers, brushed aluminum, and handcrafted crystal accents make every surface feel exclusive. The front cockpit feels like it was inspired by both aviation and luxury yachting. The steering is minimalistic, surrounded by a panoramic digital display that integrates navigation, entertainment, and performance data into one seamless experience. Voice commands and AI-based assistants make driving effortless, or you can switch to semi-autonomous mode and let the car handle the highway. Behind the cockpit, the lounge area opens up with fully reclining seats, a mini bar, a retractable LED TV, and a panoramic roof that floods the cabin with natural light. Moving further in, the motorhome reveals its versatility. There's a compact yet ultra-luxurious kitchenette finished in stainless steel and marble, a private sleeping area with a memory foam bed, and even a spa-inspired restroom that uses smart water control and automatic lighting. It's not just a vehicle, it's a 5-star apartment on wheels designed for those who never compromise on comfort, even while traveling the open road. Performance-wise, Rolls-Royce hasn't cut any corners. Under the sculpted shell sits a twin-turbocharged hybrid V12 engine paired with advanced electric motors, delivering a combined output that feels both powerful and whisper quiet. Acceleration is shockingly smooth for a motorhome of this size, 0 to 100 km/h in just under 6 seconds. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share. So, if you've ever dreamed of exploring the world without giving up the elegance of a